Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tatum for blockchain API access, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Tatum's website. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button in the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, you will see fields for your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid login issues. After confirming your credentials, click the Sign In button. If your information is accurate, you will be logged into your Tatum account. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, you'll have access to your blockchain API resources. If you are a new user, look for the Sign Up option instead. Clicking Sign Up will allow you to create a new account. Fill in the required registration fields, including your email and a secure password. Submit the form to create your account. Check your email for a confirmation link from Tatum. Click the link to verify your email and activate your account. Return to the login page after confirming your email. Now enter your new credentials and click Sign In. Once inside, explore the dashboard to utilize the blockchain API features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.